ISO 14001-2004 specifies the requirements of an environment management system. Okay, so basically what this does is it helps the organization to show that it shows conformance to legal and regulatory requirements, and it also shows that it has some conformance towards environment policy and objectives. So it shows that it helps to show that the organization, they support environment protection and the prevention of pollution in balance with socio-economic needs. Okay, so now this ISO 14001-2004 standard is is formed by the International Organization of Standards. Okay, so the way you start this standard is by first setting up of environmental policies and objectives and targets. Okay, this is based on the methodology known as the Plan, Do, Check, Act, which is first described by starting with plan. So for plan, we first establish objectives and targets. So these are certain processes which are required to deliver the necessary results, which is in accordance to the organization's environmental policy. That's planning. The next step is do. So after planning all the objectives and targets which have been identified, we have to implement them. So we implement all the different processes in the do step. Next comes check. In check, we have to monitor and measure the various processes. So these processes, they are monitored against the environment policy, whatever objectives and targets that you have set, and also all the other legal and regulatory requirements. And then comes act. Act, which basically means it's a continual review of the environment management system. So this is in short the environment management system. Now this is applicable to all the organizations, because each and every organization has to be concerned with achieving and demonstrating sound environmental performance by controlling the impact of the activities and their different processes and services. Okay, so the benefits of this standard ISO 14001-2004. So as mentioned earlier, it provides a framework. So this helps you to monitor and to improve the performance of all significant impacts. Okay, and then it also helps in environment risk management and to help in the optimization of the resources. Along with that, it also helps in improve operational efficiency and enhance customer satisfaction, and it also helps you to comply with regulatory and legal requirements, and it helps to have a proper framework in case of any risk or emergencies.